this carpet is super filthy.
Take a look at it. So the previous owner had just everything sitting back in the trunk, the intake manifold, or the upper intake manifold, some bottles of 2-stroke oil. So it's pretty dirty. We got chemical guys, fabric, citrus, fabric cleaning, carpet and upholstery shampoo. It says use 8-to-1 for extra dirty. So I got in the Canon.
switch this out. Let's see if we can get some of it off. Yes. A pre-wash.
Got a power drill with the fabric brush on it. This is a softer one. I probably should have grabbed the harder one, but let's see how it
As you can see, there's still some of the staining around here. Probably because it's an oil stain. But we're gonna try to hit it up again. Some, we got the ZEP Premium shampoo. We'll let that sit for a little bit. I'm gonna rinse it off.
Alright, so after 2 cleanings, the oil stain is pretty much gone off the trunk mat. So, fade. But yeah, pretty much gone. 2 washes and the oil stain is gone. Not perfect. Start putting this together. I'm gonna do a under like a little panel. There's no truck spare tire cover, so I'm gonna get some wood, cover that up, and then probably for now I'm not gonna do a sub enclosure in the back. Just need to get it up and running and all kind of put back together. So we'll end up working more on that portion of it